good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be at. This is the side street that has the strip clubs down it. There are, as far as I know, two strip clubs on this street. One thing that I did realize about Cancun is there are ATM machines everywhere. I am not one of those guys to just use random ATM machines. So I don't foresee myself using an ATM machine that is just in the middle of a road or on a side street. That's a little iffy. But in this small or medium-sized area, there are a lot of places where there is music, where there is food, and where there is drinks. So you will not have a problem finding each. All right, I am on my way to the strip club. The first strip club that I went to is called Manhattan. And like I said, and I will continue to say in all my Mexico videos, there are a lot of tourists here, and there are a lot of couples, tourists and couples. I guess women do not travel alone. I don't know. I'm not into the tour thing myself with various peoples. I am more of a solo traveler, but I guess men and women nowadays prefer that peace of mind with going with someone else. You will not. I have not found any bad ones. This is the club that I went to first, Manhattan, and unbeknown to me, the second club, Queen Club, is literally next door. The people outside try to get you to come in. I was walking up there by myself, but he wanted to follow me up there. I think these guys get cuts. I think they get commissions for bringing you inside of the club. It just seems that way. Like, I'm trying to run up the stairs by myself, and he kept fucking calling me so he can catch up to me. So that was after I left Manhattan and Queen Club. This is just a lot of people. This, realistically, going to Cancun is like going to the mall. to be honest with you, going to Cancun is like going to the mall. It's like you go into the biggest and best mall in your city and you run into various people. So this is just me on Saturday night walking through the hotspot in Cancun. As I've said, it's gonna be a whole bunch of tourists, a whole bunch of couples. There are no women where I could say they were 9 or 10, probably not even 8. You know what I'm saying? So this was Saturday. Saturday night. I thought, with all the stories I've heard of Cancun and things along those lines, it was gonna be a better experience, and it wasn't. Like, it's just, there are clubs and people inside the clubs, 4 or 5 feet from each other, step on each other's toes, packed in like fucking rats in a cage. Yeah, but if that's your thing, go ahead, enjoy yourself. But as far as for a single man who is looking for a single woman, I do not suggest Cancun whatsoever. I do not fucking suggest it whatsoever. You're gonna be in for a big disappointment. I just don't talk to hookers. Like, I talk to beautiful women, whether they're hookers or not. And there was an establishment where there was this young lady, and I seen her from the backside. And the backside was looking all right, for the most part. I like a big old ass. I like a donkey. You know what I'm saying? And I went to approach her. This is my next video. I went to approach her, and I asked her, trying to be not so obvious. That's damn sure ain't it right there. And I asked her which line was in to get in. She was in the right lane, and the line again was in the left lane, but I act like I ain't know. And I went to talk to her, and she gave me the MILF vibes. Like, I was going, put something in the ear, but I wasn't really feeling it. Like she got an ass, she got a donkey, but when she turned around, she kind of gave me those MILF vibes. You know what I'm saying? She got a little too many wrinkles for the kid. You know what I'm saying? So that's that, man. That's the baddest one I've seen. Till next time, I'm out.